Hey guys, this is Andre from the Andre Report, where I publish at least one video every week covering everything from investing, personal finance, entrepreneurship, and more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I grew my $1,000 into $50,000 in just 6 months. I know that number sounds insane, and it's because it is. But what's even more insane is how easy it was for me to do so. And after this video, you're going to have the same opportunity to grow your money as well. Now, before we get started, I just want to say this. Growing $1,000 to $50,000 in 6 months isn't something that everybody can do. It takes discipline, focus, and above all else, patience. Now, if you're not willing to put in the work, then this video is probably not for you. I looked into stocks, bonds, real estate, and even crypto, but none of these options really appealed to me. There's basically a way to automatically copy the trades of other people who are more experienced than you. This means that you can follow their lead and potentially make profits without having to do any of the work yourself. I couldn't believe it at first. I had turned my $1,000 investment into $50,000 in just a few months. It was a dream come true. For example, there were times when the market was so volatile that I lost money, but I stuck with it, and eventually things turned around. The key is to stay focused and not give up. And the best part is that it was completely passive income. All I had to do was sit back and watch the profits roll in. He was seeing green candles everywhere, and his account balance was growing steadily. But then suddenly the market took a turn and Tom started losing money. But after doing some more research, I realized that this was a real thing. Then I came across something that changed my life forever. Copy trading, which is the difference between the buy and sell price of an instrument, so you won't have to pay anything extra to use the platform. You can sort through traders by experience level, profit factor, success rate, and more. When you find a trader you like, and the best part is that you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. With Zulu Trade, you can start with as little as $100. Simply click the copy button and you're done. The trader will take care of the rest. Tom was someone who wanted to start trading, but was feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the technical jargon and complex strategies out there. With platforms like Zulu Trade, anyone can start investing and making money, so don't wait any longer. Even when the market is down and you're losing money. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Just stick with the plan and trust the process. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to making your first million. Take action today and start investing in yourself and your future. There are traders from all over the world with different strategies and experience levels. The top traders on Zulu Trade have achieved incredible results, generating annual profits of over $1. Of course, not all traders will perform like this, but it's still impressive nonetheless. So if you want to stay up to date on all the latest copy trading tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. This means that you can find a trader that fits your needs and invest in them accordingly. Then go ahead and click that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload new content. He was looking for a way to get started quickly in his alley in that S when he discovered copy trading. What are your thoughts on copy trading? Have you ever tried it before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in getting started, I'll leave a link to Zulu Trade in the description of the video. Be sure to check it out. You might want to start by copying a more experienced trader with a proven track record. Or if you're looking for more excitement, you could copy a trader with a more aggressive strategy. Whatever your preference, Zulu Trade has a trader for you. But if you are willing to put in the work and you want to change your life forever, then keep watching. Alright, so let's get right into it. Don't let emotions control your trading. Things turned around and Tom made even more money than he had before. He realized that copy trading wasn't just about copying someone else's trades. It was also about learning from them and understanding their mindset. With that new perspective, Tom continued to grow his account and eventually he was able to quit his job and become a full-time trader. Tom took a deep breath and decided to stick with his strategy. When I first started out on this journey, I had no idea what I was doing. In fact, I had never invested a single dollar in my entire life, but that didn't stop me from trying. You see, I had a goal of growing my money, and nothing was going to stand in my way. The first thing that I did was I went online, and I started to research different ways to invest, if you're not familiar with copy trading it. So I decided to give it a try. I couldn't believe it. But it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. There were definitely some challenges along the way. Let me tell you a story about my friend Tom. Tom decided to try it out, and he started copying the trades of a successful trader. At first, Tom was feeling pretty confident. He panicked and thought about quitting. But then he remembered something that the successful trader he was copying had said during one of his live streams, and guess what? Another great thing about Zulu Trade is that you can choose from a wide variety of traders to copy. For example, if you're a beginner, and if you're worried about the fees, don't be. Zulu Trade is completely free to use. The only cost involved is the spread. Plus, Zulu Trade is super easy to use. Once you've created an account and deposited funds, you can start following traders right away. Now let's talk about the most important thing, making money. Copy trading can be very profitable. Just imagine being able to generate 100% profit on your investment every year. That's the kind of money that can change your life. So now I want to hear from you. I'm telling you guys, copy trading is the future of investing. It's easy, accessible, and profitable. And I'm just getting started. I post new videos every single week. And if you want to learn more about investing in personal finance, look, I know that investing can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. And remember, the most important thing is to stay focused and not give up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.